We have all started hearing and seeing about how AI will take over the world, and people have realized the actual power of AI.
Chat GPT.
Chat GPT. Chat GPT.
Chat GPT.
Chat GPT.
The craziest thing I have ever seen.
And as a busy guy and potentially the youngest top G, the first thing that I thought when I heard about this is how can I make money with this? So in this video, I'm gonna give you some money making ideas that I found, and I'm gonna show you how you can use Chat GPT as a tool to actually make money. Without further ado, let's see how we can use the Chat GPT AI. So the link is in the description. You can click that and start using the Chat GPT for free. You can just simply log in with your Google account. And basically, you can ask whatever you want, have a conversation with the Chat GPT, and the Chat GPT will give you accurate results. Can you give me some side hustle ideas that I can start to make money? So as you can see, the Chat GPT gave us 7 side hustle ideas like freelance work, online tutoring, selling products online, renting out a spare room, which we didn't specify if we want online side hustles or not. I mean, if you want, you can even specify that, like, can you give me some online side hustle ideas that I can start to make money, and the AI will give you only online side hustle ideas. But the first way to make money is freelance. Now the AI tells you that you can do freelancing to make money, but what it doesn't tell you is that you can use the AI itself to make money with freelancing. You want to write an essay? The AI does that in seconds. You want to write an email? Just tell the AI and it will do it for you. You want a script for your next YouTube video? Easy peasy. So you can simply go on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and create posts for script writing, product description, video scripts, emails, writing essays. You can do all of this for free with the help of an AI. And since you're not the one fulfilling it, you can deliver the final project really fast and simply have super fast delivery times. You can even price your job really cheap, to get more sales and start building your portfolio. Also, you can scale this pretty quickly. But the AI told us that we can also make money by selling products online. So let's ask, does dropshipping still work? Or is dropshipping dead after all? So here the AI explains us the business model. Well, basically it's a business model where you have minimal risks because you don't have to store the products, you don't have to get the products beforehand. So if you want to start an online store, dropshipping is the best way with the minimal amount of risk and the lowest amount of cost. And actually that's the smartest option. But in order for it to be low in cost, we have to do TikTok organic. Now I'm not going to explain you what TikTok is unless you're living under a rock. You know what TikTok is and how a single video can get you millions of views even if you're not famous. You create an account, post some videos, and get millions of views. Like the TikTok's algorithm is just crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And what you need to do afterward is to create a TikTok account, preferably a US account with the help of a VPN or something to increase your chances of getting sales and blowing up. But if you can't do that, or if your product is more suitable for the country that you're living, then you can just simply download the TikTok and create an account and start posting 2 to 5 videos per day. That's a lot of work. No shit. Welcome to business, dude. If you don't want to spend money on ads, you have to do something, you have to put in the effort. That's how you achieve success. So post 2 to 5 videos per day and try to make your product go viral. Now obviously there are some tricks that you need to know before starting. Like your product shouldn't be very expensive because we want the deal to be a no-brainer. If your product is expensive and if the viewers, like when they go to buy the product, they stop and think, but that's kind of expensive, should I buy it or it's gone. You're not gonna achieve success with that product. You want this step to be smooth and you want the viewers to not consider about the price that much. Also, you want to be authentic and have a native flow in your videos. Don't be too salesy and formal, we don't want the viewers to feel like they're watching an ad. They just simply don't like that. Be a user just like them. You just bought that product, you're just reviewing it, you're making a video of it, you actually love that product, you recommend it, and you make your own comments. You just want the viewer to feel like they're just watching another TikTok video, and just be friendly. After that, the viewers will start asking you questions about the product because they want to buy it. Once you start generating some money afterwards, it's quite simple because you have money coming in and you can spend that money on ads, and you can go in a cycle like you put money and money generates you even more money, so you let the money work for you and you reach more people with less effort. But how can we use the AI for dropshipping? So let's say write a product description for a scalp messenger. So here we have a good product description and you can customize that as you wish. Like you can say, make it longer, make it shorter, make it more friendly, make it funnier. You can customize it as you wish. Just say it and the AI will do it. Now, if you want to start dropshipping, the link is in the description. You can go and create your online store from there with a 1-month free trial and afterward 3 months with only $1 per month. But dropshipping is not the best business model in my opinion. I believe the best business model with the best profit margins are a service-based business model, and that is SMMA, social media marketing agency. Or you can go with the creative social media marketing agency if you love, if you know how to edit videos, do graphic design, manage social media accounts, then you can go on that aspect. So let's ask the AI, is SMMA better than dropshipping? Damn it. Basically what it says is that the best business model will depend on your skills and on what you want, like on your goals. True, it's true. But still, if you're a beginner, in my opinion, SMMA is better since the profit margins are better and you don't need a capital to start. Like, in dropshipping, you do need some money to start. But in SMMA, you don't need money to start because what you offer is your services, it's a skill. So I believe SMMA is better for beginners, and if you want to learn more about SMMA, I suggest to watch this video here. In that video, I show you how you can start making money with SMMA and scale it up to $10,000 per month. So I guess I'll see you again in that video. Bye bye.